With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, let's solve this question. In this question given is, if a piston is moved so as to reduce the volume of gas by half, keeping the temperature of gas constant. Okay, so two things are given here, that is volume is here half, okay, and temperature is here constant. Okay, so we know from the gas law that pressure will be doubled. Okay, so we have to tell the reason. On microscopic level, the increase in pressure on piston is because four reasons are given here. Momentum change per collision is double while the frequency of collision remains constant. Second option is given, momentum change per collision remain constant while the frequency of collision is double. And C option is given, momentum change per collision and the frequency of collision both are increased. And the fourth option is given here, none of these two physical quantities are changed. It is due to some other reason. Okay, so here in this question, guys, first thing we have, that is temperature is constant. And in the question given is, we know from the gas law pressure is here double. Okay, 2 times E. Okay, so first thing we have here, that is temperature is constant here. Okay, that means we can say here VR MS is equal to constant. Okay guys, so if VRMS is constant, mean velocity is constant, then we can say momentum, that is I here represented as small p, is also constant. Okay, so according to question, volume is half. Okay, so according to question, volume is half. Then we can say here frequency is increased. Okay, so here frequency has turned 2 times double. Okay, so now let here in this question, let here we have this size of box. Okay, we have this size of box, and in this box a particle is moving with a velocity v. Okay, but in the question given is volume is half. That means now we have a half size of box. Okay, we have a half size of box, and here particle is moving with the same velocity v, but here speed of collision, okay, to this wall is increased. Okay, so in the, we can say here, if we see in this box, then speed of collision is here less than our second box. Okay, so here speed of collision is increased. Okay, so frequency of collision is double here. Okay, so if we check the option, then our option is B is correct here. Momentum change per collision remain constant while the frequency of collision is double. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.